Careful. Is it hot? Yeah, it's hot. Hot cocoa.
Why is it too hot?
Yeah, because it should be hot. Not cocoa.
It's too hot.
You need to blow it or wait until it's gonna be cold. Okay, hold it, anak. Let's go.
This is yummy.
Chicago.
We're at Chicago. I got hot cocoa. One sip because I love it.
You're hot. What?
It's a big jelly bean. A silver jelly bean.
That's the bean. We call it the bean.
Yeah.
Big jelly bean? Oh yeah, that's the
Jelly
big
bean, that's it.
big jelly bean. Yeah, Michael, that's the big jelly bean. All right,
Oh, the jelly
drink.
bean.